Hello, I'm Cal and welcome. In this one we're going to be putting a Windows 10 USB stick together, used for installing Windows 10 on a new computer. This is part of a Retrogaming PC series that I'm putting together, where I'm building a computer from scratch and installing all the hardware and software needed to run it. It's built now and I've already installed a couple of Retrogaming emulators on this system, so check out those video tutorials if you're interested in PS1 or the GameCube era of games, and there will be more installed, so if you're interested in retro gaming or just PC building, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and ring that little bell for future videos. Right, now we've got that little advertisement out of the way. Here's the Microsoft web page that we need. I'll put a link in the description for this. What I suggest you do though, once you've created this Windows 10 USB stick, is that you keep it, because it can help with fixing problems with Windows 10 you might encounter in the future. So what we need then is a USB stick with at least 8 gigabytes of memory. I suggest you don't spend a fortune on one of these because you won't be able to use it for anything else. It's going to be completely wiped and used, so if you've got one with files on that you want to keep, don't use that one because it will be wiped. You're also going to be needing a computer with internet access and a USB port compatible with your USB stick of choice. In order to do this, you need to download a little bit of software from Microsoft to do this, so just click on this Download Tool Now button. In your Downloads folder then you'll find this exe file, so just double click on here. It's going to ask you for permission. You do need administration privileges to run this, so it's just putting all the terms and conditions ready for us to accept. So here's the terms and conditions then. You've got no options on here, just to accept it, and then it's just putting things together for us. So from here we just select this radio button to create the installation media on a USB, and then click next. The language is already preset from the recommendations from this PC, so if you do want to change it then just click out this box and you might be able to change some of these, but all of this is correct, so I'm just going to click next. So we do need a USB flash drive of at least 8 gigabytes, and make sure it's not one that contains files that you need because it will be wiped. I've said that 3 times now. So click next and it'll find the USB drive that you've got. So just make sure it is the right one. And it's the one that I've got here. Just going to click next on here. And this is going to take a while. The length of time to create this does depend on the speed of your computer, your internet access, and the speed of the USB stick that you've chosen. It can take a while, so I'm going to speed this up or just cut out the non-essential waiting time for this process. I just wanted to reiterate that because you might be thinking, well, this is taking ages, have I done something wrong? Nope, it takes a while. And just when you thought it was finished, it's verifying. What it's going to do now is just transform those files into bootable media, and as I said, this does take a while, so just be patient. So there we are, the end's nearly in sight, 99%. So that's taken roughly probably about 25 minutes, half an hour, something like that. So there we are, our USB stick is ready to use. So all we need to do now is click finish, and that's it. And we'll be using that in the next video to install Windows on this new retro gaming computer. My name is Cal, have a good morning, afternoon or good evening. Farewell till next time, and I'll see you later. Thanks for watching.